In each chapter, Mr. Bear will tell you a story about one of us. Come on, we must be late. Keep together, kids. Don't get lost. It's going to be a busy day. Ready? Yes, sir. Come on, let's go, kids. Come on.
What's going on?
Perhaps you'll talk about us.
The bear stories are always so interesting. Interesting like us.
Where is he?
I bet he stopped to eat some honey in the bees chapter. We all know how greedy he is.
I want the kids to learn about predators. He's coming.
Quit that jumping.
I see it all here. Well, today the great book of nature is open at another chapter. Today I'm going to tell you a story about a duck.
Good morning. Morning.
Good fishing.
Let's go see what the chicken's doing.
Hey, my friend.
Surprise, surprise. He simply made you jump, eh? We're going to see if the fish are biting.
Would you mind if I came along?
No, you gotta come along so you can catch some nourishing fish for your sick mother.
Oh, thank you.
And that's not all. Take this. We brought it just for you.
A fishing pole. Thank you so much.
Don't mention it. It's the least we can do.
Hey there.
Morning, Mother Hen.
Good morning to you. I overheard you, and I just want to say be careful. The river is very deep, and my young one can't swim. All right?
Don't worry, Mommy. They know how to swim really well.
We'll take very good care of her.
Set your mind at ease, Mother Hen. I assure you there's nothing to worry about.
I trust you, boys, but be careful. Be back before sundown.
See you later.
Ah, yes, this is the life. Yes, this is the kind of day fishermen tell tales about.
So, where's the river?
Behind that hill.
It's there, all right. Get a move on.
How exciting! I can't wait. I want to catch lots of fish.
You'll see.
I'm gonna cross on this branch.
Can you make it by yourself?
Help!
Be careful. Walk slowly and try not to lose your balance. You're almost there. Come on in. The water's great.
Are you crazy? You know she can't swim. Instead of encouraging her to do things that are dangerous, you should try to help her. Come on, climb on my back.
Okay. Oh! I lost my rod!
You did what?
I lost my fishing rod!
Mr. Duck, help us! She's lost her fishing rod!
Here I come. Quack, quack, quack.
Any luck?
I'm looking for it. Quack.
What's taking so long?
I've looked everywhere, but I can't find it.
Well, it couldn't have just disappeared. Let me take a look.
Oh, it's all my fault. Oh.
Yeah, don't worry about it. I found it. Here's your fishing rod. Go on, take it.
You're so kind.
Where in the world were you looking? It was right there, caught on a log. Even a blind duck could have found it.
Well done. I guess I need glasses. Come on, you guys. We're wasting time.
Wow, there's a ton of fish.
You stay back here out of harm's way. Watch a couple of experts at work and you'll learn something.
Oh, this is a big one. Look at this big fish I just caught.
What? If a duck can catch a fish like that, I can get at least 10.
Yahoo! What a fish!
Oh, look at that. I bet it wasn't easy to catch it.
It wasn't all that difficult. These fish are the ideal cure for your mother's illness. I'll try to catch as many as I can.
Oh, thank you.
Well, it's time to pull in my net. Hey!
Oh, the net's full of fish.
Will someone please give me a hand? I've pulled in my net and it's very heavy.
Here I am. Let me help you. You've caught so many. I'm so impressed.
Yes, and you were bragging about catching just one. Yeah, I must admit, that's a good-sized fish. But he caught one, and I caught a ton. Yeah, and I give them all to you.
Oh, thank you. You're both so generous.
It's the least one can do to help a friend. Don't you agree, Mr. Duck?
What's he talking about?
Wow, did you see that?
I'll get it.
Come along with me and see how many other fish we can catch. We won't get much done standing here watching Mr. Duck go after one fish at a time. Come on, come on. Ah!
Where are you two little tidbits going? Today's my lucky day. I'll enjoy a wonderful feast. Oh, yes. First, I'll eat the two of you, and then I'll eat your fish. Maybe I love fresh fish.
There's a cave over there. Let's hide.
Now it's your turn.
I'm afraid he still might catch us.
We should be safe in here.
Oh, come on, quick. We've got to find someplace safer.
Stop, my little feathered friends.
It's gonna get us. Wait for me. You can't leave me.
I can't. I don't want to die. Run!
Don't leave me. I'm afraid.
I'm better off in the water. Yes.
Help, Mommy.
Wow, now that's a fish.
Help
Huh?
me. Ah!
No! I'm coming. I'm coming. Ah! Hold on. Hold on. I'm coming. Oh.
Help, Mommy.
Come back. Come back. Quack. That darn eagle. It's taken her away. What am I gonna tell Mother Hen?
Has it gone?
You ran away to save yourself and left our little friend in danger.
Well, it was either that or end up as eagle bait.
You should have helped her hide. When things go well, you say you're her friend, but when she's in danger, you abandon her.
You're absolutely right, but I saw my whole life flash before my eyes. It was awful.
Well, you should have tried at least.
What a goose you were to think that gander could save you!
They're back. Is anyone here? Hello? Oh, strange. No one's answering. Maybe they're at Mr. Duck's house. There's a net. They must be back. Hello? Is anyone at home? Oh, I must find my little one. Chickadee! Chickadee!
Oh, dear, I'm such a coward.
I've got to try to save her. This is one of her feathers.
What's this? Oh, it's Mr. Duck who lives in the valley. How are you, Mr. Duck? Everything okay?
Well, Squirrel, it's you.
What's going on? What are you doing around here?
The eagle stole a young chicken.
What? The eagle flew off with her to his nest?
Yes, and I must get her back if it's the last thing I do.
It's impossible to reach the eagle's lair. His nest is on the edge of a high, jagged
I
rock.
can handle it. I've got to save my little friend, no matter what.
I better go help him. If you're that determined, I'll go with you to show you the way and help if I can. Let's get moving.
You're a real pal.
My little one! Where are you? I'm so worried. Where can she be?
I think I should go and talk to Mother Hen. Tell her exactly what happened. She's so much braver than I am, and I'm such a coward. Oh, I just don't have the courage to face her. Oh.
You say you're her friend when things are going well, but when she's in danger, you abandon her. You're someone that nobody will ever trust again.
What have I done? I have to go and look for her.
We're almost there. There it is. Your friend is over there. Let's go.
All this scouring the countryside has worked up my appetite.
The eagle's coming.
Huh? Where's my supper? There's dirty work afoot. I'm so hungry, I'm feeling faint.
She must have escaped. We gotta find her.
But how?
Let's separate. That way we've got a better chance of finding her.
What are those voices I hear?
Mr. Duck is in trouble.
Don't worry, Duck. I'll catch you before
Let
you
my
fall.
friend go,
Huh?
you ugly monster. It's me you
Stay
want.
there. I'll be right back.
Quick, Dad, let's get out of here.
Where are you?
We're over here.
Where? Watch me take care of that eagle. Hey, catch me if you can. Whack.
Come back here.
Whack. Come on in. The water's fine.
Gotcha.
The duck killed the eagle, but where is he now? Mr. Duck! Mr. Duck! Mr. Duck, where are you? Mr. Duck! Oh, wait! Oh, how happy I am to see you both.
Oh, it's you. We can't find Mr. Duck. Hi, Mr. Gander.
I'm so glad you're safe and sound.
I was so scared.
Will you ever forgive me?
Stop chatting and find Mr. Duck.
We'll find him, don't worry.
This way. Mr. Duck!
Maybe he's trapped underwater.
Where could he be? Don't cry, we'll find him. Oh!
You're a true hero. You'll risk your life for the life of a friend, while I ran away like a stupid coward. Mr. Duck, how do you feel? Please. I'm so happy. This is wonderful.
Why? Where's the young chicken and the squirrel? Are they okay?
Right here, Mr. Duck, we're here.
I was afraid I would never see you again.
Forgive me, I beg you. Abandoning you all in times of trouble, I thought only of myself.
No, I was sure you'd come back for us.
Now I see how wrong I really was. A true friend would never turn his back on his pals. He should stay with them and help them through thick and thin.
Just like you did.
You came back to help us.
Now, let's get you home, little chickie. Your mother's waiting for you, and she's very worried.
It's such a beautiful thing to see friends who love each other. And it's a very difficult thing to find true friends. Can I be your friend?
You're already our friend, Wah. Thanks for your help, pal.
Anytime. Bye.
Goodbye.
The duck. How is the duck classified in the animal kingdom? The duck is a bird belonging to the Anseriformes order and to the family of the Anatidae. The duck species is divided into two groups, dabbling ducks and diving ducks. How many species are there, and where do they live? The Anatidae family is made up of about 150 species which nest all over the world, except in the desert areas of Africa and Arabia. How do they live? Ducks are usually very sociable birds, especially in the migratory period when they travel in flocks. They always live close to water and build their nests in clumps of vegetation, in natural hollows or in holes in trees. How do they move? Ducks are at home in the water and in the sky. They are powerful swimmers, and some can dive to great depths. In flight, they cover thousands of kilometers and often travel in a V formation. What do they eat? Their staple diet is water plants and mollusks, but ducks also like crustaceans, insect larvae, and small water animals. How do they protect themselves? Ducks tend to build their nests in difficult-to-get-at places. The female is a tireless defender of her ducklings, drawing the attention of predators to herself in order to save the nest and her young. How do they relate to people? Unfortunately, ducks are a favorite target for hunters, but their rapport with us is excellent when they're raised in parks and gardens. Can they live in the city? Yes. In fact, in some countries, ducks spend the winter in public parks. All they ask for is a pond and a certain amount of peace and quiet.
Well, have you all learned the lesson? The moral of the story is when the chips are down, it's better to stand by your friends.